Hey guys, it's Kim. So today I'm going to show you how to remove background from images. So I'll be using this old PowerPoint of mine, and let's get on with the tutorial. So first, all you have to do is to search up or get the image that you want to use. I've already looked it up on Google and I want to use this image. You can click on it and then right click and then click Open Image in New tab. This would enable you to have the picture in a large size so that it's in good quality. Next, you have to right click and then copy image. You can also save the image, however, copying it is much faster. And then go back to the PowerPoint and then you paste the image there. As you can see, there's a problem with the white background. So all you have to do is click picture format, color, and then set transparent color. You click the white part since that is the color of your background, and then boom, there you have it. It's really easy, and you can just adjust the image to be larger. There is also another way, and I will be demonstrating that to you. Next is that you need to search for the second image that you would like to use. I already have mine prepared. So again, right click, open image in new tab, copy, and then paste. As you can see, Baby Dory has a white background and it's much cleaner and better without it. So the second method deals with going back to picture format and then clicking remove background. With this, you need to mark the areas to keep or mark the areas to remove. The areas with the magenta color is what PowerPoint would not keep. So all you have to do is color it. Make sure you colored all the areas you want to keep. You keep changes. And then as you can see, it doesn't have any problem with the background. And then that's it. That's the tutorial. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.